This is a refactoring tutorial about moving fields. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. This time we need two fields, and let's do the usual thing. Fill in some basic data and taking proper names. And if we have a look at field list and configurator, it's looking like that. We can, for example, do a drag and drop in the configurator from country to city, and if we click on move, watch out that country moves up and city has to move down. It doesn't change on the field list though. This is because the field list, as lots of widgets, try to stay to their state they had before, and since the fields are still available, they don't change the sorting order. They will, however, if we uncheck and recheck everything in the configurator. So we uncheck and recheck, everything is populated anew, and then we have the same order as we have in the table: person, country, city, like here. We can move things even more around, but for that let's make another table that is in a relation. So let's factor out city in a table called cities and a field city. Then it's like this. And now we can even take country and move it over to the neighboring cities table and let go. And then country will disappear in the first table and appear over here. And you will also see the fully qualified name in here, that from the city, this is an outlink into cities and countries, so everything is specified in there. It also works vice versa. You can pull it again over here and then the country stays there. Actually, when moving things across table borders, there is some plausibilization going on. So for example, if we now try to move country over there, we will get an error and it will not be done, because right now for Boston we have both Germany and USA, and we cannot match that, we cannot coerce that into one proper value. That's why it cannot be done. If we do a correction over here, then again it's possible, as we saw in the first place. And of course there's more to embrace, but that'll be another story.